Imagine you are in a brand new city. You are hungry, you are a little lost, and you see someone who looks friendly. You have all the vocabulary we learned in week 1. You know your greetings, your feelings, and your verbs. But there's one thing missing. You need to be able to start the exchange. You need to be able to ask. Curiosity is the absolute key to learning any language. If you can ask a question, you can find your way, you can make a friend, and you can get the information you need to survive and thrive. Up until now, we focused on making statements. I am happy, it is 5 o'clock, but today, on day 8, we turn the tables. Today is the day you learn how to take control of the conversation. We are mastering the 5 W's and one very important H. By the end of this video, you won't just be a listener, you will be an investigator. Let's get started. To ask a question in English, we usually start with a question word. These words tell the listener what kind of information you are looking for. Let's break down the big 6. First is WHO. We use who when we are asking about a person. For example, who is your teacher? Or who is that man? When you hear who, think of a face. Second is what. We use what for things, objects, or actions. What is that, or what are you doing? This is probably the most common question word you will use. Third is where. This is for places and locations. Where is the bathroom? Where is my phone? If you are lost or looking for something, where is your best friend? Fourth is when. We use when for time, days, dates, or moments. When is the party? When do you go to sleep? Remember day 5 when we learned the clock? When is how you put that knowledge to use. Fifth is why. This is for reasons and explanations. Why are you late? Why are you learning English? The answer to a why question almost always starts with the word because. And finally, our bonus guest, how. How is for the way something is done or the condition of something. How do you cook this, or how are you? Think of these 6 words as the keys to a locked door. Each one opens a different kind of room. Who opens the room of people? Where opens the room of people? Where opens the room of places? If you use the wrong key, you won't get the right answer. If you ask, when is the bathroom, people will be very confused. So let's memorize their functions. Repeat them after me. Who, people, what, things, where, places, when, time, why, reasons, how, method. Now let's get to work. This is the question builder exercise. I am going to give you an answer, a simple statement. Your job is to create the question that would lead to that answer. I'll give you a few seconds to think, and then I'll show you the correct question. Round 1, the basics. 1, the answer is, my name is Sarah. What is the question? The question is, what is your name? We use what because a name is a thing. 2, the answer is, I'm at the supermarket. What is the question? The question is, where are you? We use where because the supermarket is a place. 3, the answer is, that is my brother. What is the question? The question is, who is that? We use who because we're talking about a person. Round 2, time and reasons. 4, the answer is, the movie starts at 8 p.m. What is the question? The question is, when does the movie start? Or what time does the movie start? 5, the answer is, I am sad because I lost my keys. What is the question? The question is, why are you sad? Remember, because is the signal for a why question. 6, the answer is, I feel great today. What is the question? The question is, how do you feel today? Or how are you? Round 3, interactive challenge. Now I'm going to show you a picture on the screen, and I want you to ask a question about it using the specific word I give you. Use what. You could ask, "What is that?" or "What are you eating?" Use where. You could ask, "Where is she running?" or "Where is the park?" Use why. You could ask, "Why is he happy?" or "Why does he have a trophy?" Use when. You could ask, "When is the meeting?" or "When is your birthday?" Excellent work. Building questions is slightly harder than building sentences because the word order often changes. Notice how we usually put the question word first, followed by a helping verb like is, are, or does. Let's try 3 more, but this time I won't give you the question word. You have to choose the right W. 1. The answer, it's on the table. Question, where is it? 2. The answer, he is my doctor. Question, who is he? 3. The answer, I drink coffee in the morning. Question, when do you drink coffee? Or what do you drink in the morning? You are doing great. If you got these right, you're starting to think like an English speaker. Let's summarize what we've mastered in this lesson. The 5 W's and how are the foundation of all English interaction. Who identifies the person? What identifies the object or the activity? Where identifies the location? When identifies the time, why seeks the motivation or the reason? How describes the process or the state of being? Whenever you are stuck in a conversation, just remember these 6 words. Even if your grammar isn't perfect, simply saying where, library, or when, dinner, will get your point across. People will understand you and they will help you. That's the beauty of these power words. For your Day 8 challenge, we are going to practice your where questions. I want you to look around the room you are in right now. Pick 3 objects you see. I want you to ask a where question about each one and then answer it yourself. For example, if I see my keys, I would say, where are my keys? They are on the table. If I see my cat, I would say, where is the cat? The cat is on the sofa. This helps your brain connect the question word to the physical world around you. Your digital task for today. In the comments below, I want you to ask me one question using any of the 5 W's. It could be, where do you live? Or, why are you teaching English? I will try to answer as many as I can. Asking questions is how we grow. Don't be afraid to be curious. Don't be afraid to ask. If you found this lesson helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe so you don't miss Day 9. Tomorrow we're going to add some color and detail to your speech. We're diving into adjectives, the words that describe your world. Great job today. Keep asking, keep learning, and I will see you tomorrow for Day 9.